giving this microphone one more shot. I'm going to be doing 15 by 30, and it is taped, and I got my push pins in. It's gallery wrapped, and we're going to do a Dutch pour tonight. I'm not that good at them. I'm going to try again. Always try. Anyhow, I made up my base paint. Hopefully I have enough this time, because generally I don't mix up enough. So, put my base paint down. Alrighty. So, I was trying to talk to you through all that blow drying. That wasn't working. I'm gonna do a Molly inspired ocean pour. We're giving it a go here. Just making sure all of my sides are covered. Oh, that is not. I can feel it. So hopefully everybody's doing well. Okay, here we go. Now, my colors, kind of special, I think. I have a silver that I've made up with extreme sheen and the Folk Art silver flash. And that's right here. I think that's liquidy enough. It's got a beautiful sheen to it. And I have, this is actually Master's Touch, and it's their heavy body dark turquoise. It's a beautiful color. Of course, my favorite, one of my favorites, Artist Loft, and this is the metallic cobalt blue. This is Golden's teal. It's also heavy body, and I hopefully have thinned these out as much as they need to be. This is my all-time favorite now. It's Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. Not blue green, it's green blue. There is definitely a difference. Now, I was able to get my hands on some of this. Gosh, I just got it today. Satin enamels, and it's the Decor satin enamels, and this is in Seaside Blue. Now to that I added some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and I did add a little bit of that turquoise, the deep turquoise from Master's Touch. And I also have some Decor Americana satin enamels in white. So, my hope is that it's like a cloud pour, but it's not a cloud pour. Hopefully I'm gonna get a lot of cells. And if I do get clouds, it'll be interesting to see what comes of them. I've got to remember, less is more, Michelle, less is more. Some of this deep turquoise. And then I'm going to put some of that cloud mix in. And I mixed it up just like Melly D does. And then we're going to put the Golden's teal. And I don't mind using a lot of this, the Pebeo. Oh gosh, it's got such a cool sheen to it. And then I'm going to do the cobalt. And a little bit of white. gosh. Oh, that looks so beautiful. I have no idea how this is going to work out. Never tried this before. Done Dutch pours that have not worked out. All right. Cool love. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Let me put a little bit of water in this. I know you're not supposed to go over stuff twice, but oh well. Oh. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I think I found a new love, the Dutch pour. Now, I want to get rid of some of that. Put a little tad of this in here. Guys, if you could see this silver, it is incredible. All right, I'm gonna try and blow this out just a little bit more. Holy cells. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't like this. This is crazy. Guys, I cannot believe the cells. Crazy. I think my paints were a little bit thick. This lacing, that is crazy good. I just can't believe it. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me take some white and put this here. Just a touch. I haven't even torched it yet. All right, let's torch it. Let's torch this baby. Got a new torch and everything. Alright guys, I'm going to take you down for, wow, there's a lot of paint down here. I'm going to take you down for a close-up. This is bare canvas. There it is. Coming down at you. Better not drop the phone. Look at that. There's that silver I was telling you about. My hands are slippery. Oh no. Here's that silver again. Silver flash and extreme sheen sterling silver. I think I'm going to be doing a couple more of these. Actually, I have another 15 by 30. So I can do a sister painting, which I'm probably going to do. I like that little guy right there. You're too cute. Look at those cells. Now, I put the satin enamels in there, so this whole painting could blow up in about an hour as far as cells or clouds or whatever. So it might not even look the same in the morning. Look at that shimmer. Holy cow. Oh. All right, I'm in love with this. Thanks, Molly. Thanks, Rinska.